ang lahat para sa ating sports fest. Kaya naman, welcome to the Intramural School Year 2012-2013 with the theme of Laro ng Iisang Lahi. Sa dalawang araw na ito, masasaksihan natin ang pagtatagisan ng ating mga estudyante sa kanilang mga larong lalahukan.
Mukhang dapat ay tawagin natin silang mga atleta ngayon, hindi lang basta mga ordinaryong estudyante.
Tama yan. Mararanasan natin ang lahat ng matindi, mahigpit at kapanapanabik na mga paglalaban ng mga koponan para madepensahan o kung kaya na may masungkit ang trono bilang pinakamagaling.
Ngayon, ang tanong, will it still be the Yellow Tigers?
Or the Blue Knights?
Baka naman umalangkada na ang Red Shepherds!
At magpapahuli ba naman ang Green Archers?
Feel na talaga ang pressure at excitement.
Who wouldn't? Kaya napakasaya ng ating paligid. And to officially open a Rapturous event, let's give a warm of applause for our very own principal, Ma'am Danila Moncada.
Good morning! Yan. Live na live kayo, ha. First, I would like to say sorry for the delay of your event today. It's because my driver failed to come, so I have to be fetched by Madam Villapro. Thank you, Madam. School Intramural is the most awaited event at Regional Science High School. It's because from June to March, you are focused with your academic subjects within the four corners of your room. Anywhere you see students reading books, memorizing paragraphs, doing their projects, and so on. So this